we have already gone through the definition of join, and we also look at the syntax of joining. And we will put all the tables in the from clause. All the tables will be listed in the from clause, separated by comma. And then all the join conditions will be put into where clause. This is the SQL. This is a syntax that SQL has been using since the beginning of SQL, since whenever SQL was first invented. And that's basically because based on the relational algebra condition, this is what a join is. You are putting two tables together and applying a condition. Remove those non-matching ones, right? So this is exactly what where is supposed to be. However, this way of writing does have an issue, which is the readability issue. Now that in the where clause, we will have two sets of conditions. The first set of condition is the joining condition, where you are putting table column combination equals to another column from another table, right? These are a bunch of joining conditions, then followed by the real filtering condition. So if you have, imagine you have a 12 tables in one query, which is not uncommon, right? Which is actually pretty common. You have 12 tables in one query. You will joining them between these 12 tables. There will be 11 joins. Imagine each join have a 1 or 2 condition. That will give you easily like 15 to 20 joining conditions with another like 13 filtering condition. All these 28 or 30 conditions will be listed in where combined together. And if you have and or not a logical operator, the where clause will quickly get very messy. So in SQL 1992 standard, we create SQL 1992 standard, introduce a new syntax called join on. So instead of putting the where clause, or putting the condition in where clause, and putting all the tables in the from clause, now we are separating all the tables and the joining conditions into their own component, which is the join on clause. So we are going to have only one table in the from clause. For each table joining to this to other tables, I'm going to put a join condition. Well, I'm going to put a join and put a on with a joining condition. So the syntax will be, you will have a from first, right? You will have a from a certain table with a table alias. Then for each table you want to join, you will add join followed by the new table's name and followed by the on keyword and with a matching column matching column. Here it will be table 1.column1 equals to table 2.column something. Right, so this is how you will join on. And you have, if you have more table to join, you put another join table 3 on something. Now this on, when you have a table 3, you may be able to join to 1 or maybe join to 2. Either way, you can just put it in the on clause. What if you want to join both 1 and 2? Then that's what we're going to discuss in the next next topic.